Sallallahu alayhi wasallam. The beloved Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is a leader, a great leader. And those that were leaders at the time, they had a lot of luxuries. They had a lot of sort of facilities to themselves. But when we look at the life of our beloved Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, we see that our Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam would even do the work in his house, the household sort of work. He'd do his own things, like we find in the hadith by Sayyidah Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu anha that كَانَ يَخِيطُ ثَوْبَهُ وَيَخْصِفْ نَعْلَهُ وَيَعْمَلْ مَا يَعْمَلُ الرِّجَالِ فِي بُيُوتِهِمْ. That the beloved Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam would stitch his own clothing, and he would mend his own blessed shoes, and he would do all those tasks which men do at home.
Yeah, so the thing is, if we need to reflect that on our lives, there's so many things at home. You may be at home, they need help with the cooking. End of the day, she's a human being as well. If one day she's got a headache, and if we could make the food, it's not going to make much of a difference. Okay, if you don't know how to make food, there's a lot of restaurants and takeaways out there, you could get it. But going home and saying, no, you've got to make the food. I'm the man of the house. I don't do these kind of things.
We find in Sahih Bukhari Sharif as well that كان يكون في مهنة أهله, and the ulama have described this as خدمة أهله, that he was, he would basically try to facilitate for his household, for the members of his household. Sallallahu alayhi wasallam.